Today we're going to be testing out some different cleaning products and seeing whether they're a gimmick or whether they're actually worth the money. First of all, we've got the Rady Clean by JML, as seen on TV. Pretty cool. So this is what it looks like. It's very bendy. It's going to be able to get in loads of different areas. Our radiators are always a problem. You do notice when it's dusty. So we're going to get behind them and see what we can do. Let's give it a go. That's working perfectly, I'm not going to lie. Actually done a really good job, that has, to be honest. I think the overall score I'm going to give this is a solid 7.5 out of 10. Next up, we've got one that I'm a little bit excited about. It's called the Teahu Quick Easy Office Desk Clean thing. Dust collector. It's a vacuum for your desk. You can pop it away in a drawer, get it out, give it a dust. So let's put the desk vacuum to the test. So we've seasoned the table quite nicely. And now let's give it a vacuum and see if it actually does anything. Look at that! I'm actually pleasantly surprised. The only thing I'd say, if we're going to make this a little bit better, is if it's got like a little USB charger that you can charge it up with. This is a really handy little desk vacuum. Again, under £10, $7.66. I've got to give that an 8 out of 10. I think that's a really good, strong buy from me. We've also got this thing that's called Cyber Clean. It's basically goo. It's used to like clean out your keyboard, I think. And it also makes funny noises. I've made slime like this before with some PVA glue and a bit of contact lens solution, and it does have a similar effect, so I want to know what's different about this. It's meant to clean your desk, but it's actually quite fun to play with. It seems to be getting off like the initial dust. It's doing a bit, but why anyone would pay £12 for this, I have no idea. You can make your own slime. I think I'm gonna have to give this Cyber Clean a 2 out of 10. Won't be recommending Cyber Clean, thank you. Let's move on to the next one. We've also got the Microfiber Super Mitt with the Microfiber Super Mop. This was only $9.99. So, I mean, for a mop with a nice extendable pole, oh, there you go. Absorbs 5 times its weight in water. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna spill something, give it a go, let's see if it's any good at mopping it up. Oh no, oh no. It looks like I've made a little bit of an oopsie on the floor. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's the best. I would give the mop 4 out of 10. It's fairly cheap, but it feels cheap. But that's it from us at On a Budget. Also, if you do find any kitchen hacks that you want us to give a go, do send them over and we will showcase them. And we'll see you later.